Freshly delivered from the corn maze. I have to admit, I forgot I ordered this. I'm actually pretty excited about this. This is the Greenlight Series 11 Kings of Crunch Monster Trucks. And there were some pretty cool monster trucks in this. I actually ordered it in February. Kind of forgot about it. Let's open this up and check these out together. And let's grab the first truck. Oh, I love the color combination on this one. We have the 1985 GMC High Sierra 2500, the Buffalo Trimmer. Is that not amazing? I love the brown and the yellow. I like those wheels, that mustard color underframe, cool chrome bumper. You can see the GMC emblem on the back. He's got an awesome roll cage with lights and a bed cover. Buffalo Trimmer on the side. That is an amazing monster truck. All right, let's check out the next one. Now this is the truck that I saw in the pictures. I was like, I gotta get this truck. This 1972 Chevy C10 Titan. Is that not amazing? Let's open this up real quick and just take a closer look. Check out this Greenlight Titan monster truck. I mean, is that not a beautiful grille on that? I had to take it out so I could show you a little bit closer view. The underframe, awesome monster truck tires. But most of all, I love the yellow with the blue flames and that Titan on the side. That is amazing. Look how it carries over on the hood. Awesome roll cage, lights on top, yellow tailgate. I love the grille though, and the overall color of it. Just awesome stuff. All right, let's get to the next truck. Is this 1993 Ford F-250 Wildfoot. I love the colors of this, the blue and the white and the yellow, the Wildfoot on the side, power wheels emblem, and a Ford emblem. He's got that classic 1990s Ford grille, cool decos with the headlights, cool tampos on the back. It says Bigfoot back there. There's no bed cover. Just an amazing monster truck, but awesome stuff. Next truck. Now that is awesome stuff. The 1992 Ford F-250 Black Stallion. Of course, I love the black color on any truck. Black Stallion right there. Has some awesome pink with blue accent flames. That classic Ford chrome grille. Awesome headlight decorations there on the top. On the back, a nice clean tailgate. Black undercarriage, white wheels. That is awesome stuff. All right, next truck up. And we have the 1979 Ford F-250 Crime Time State Trooper. This flat gray color with this crime and state trooper decos on the side. But look at this metallic underframe and these black wheels. I mean, this has to be one of my favorite trucks of the case. Just looking at this truck, it really stands out and is very unique. Let's open this up real quick. Greenlight killed this truck. That is freaking awesome. I love it. About time we get a state trooper to help protect the king. I bet he's quick. He's got his state trooper lights on top, some cool stuff in the back. I love the blue metallic underframe. And just overall, I have to say one of my favorite Greenlight monster trucks. And the final truck up. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I pulled the Chase. I pulled the 1976 Ford F-250 Thunder Beast Chase. Look at those gorgeous Chase wheels. Green underframe. Wow, that's pretty awesome. I have to say that's my first Chase piece I found from the Kings of Crunch. He's got the Thunder Beast on the side emblem. He's got Thunder Beast on the top. He's got that chrome grille, chrome gearbox cover, chrome grille in the back, black roll cage with lights. I mean, I'm pretty excited. It's really cool to pull a Chase, I have to admit. And I will display it proudly. Awesome stuff. Thanks for tuning in and checking out the Kings of Crunch Series 11. Look for some Greenlight Racing coming up real soon. Make sure to check out my Pick Your Ride if you want to be a driver in my next King of the Hill, so you can have forever glory as the next KITT Racing King of the Hill. Take care, everybody.